In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Drive from syncing. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Have you ever noticed your computer slowing down or your internet connection crawling because Google Drive is busy uploading files in the background? When automatic syncing starts using too many system resources, there are several ways to stop it and regain control. First, locate the Google Drive icon in your taskbar tray on Windows or in the menu bar on Mac. It looks like a colored triangle. Click the icon to open the Google Drive panel. If you only want to pause syncing temporarily, click the pause syncing option. This immediately stops all uploads and downloads without signing you out of your account. If you want to completely stop syncing on this device, click the settings gear icon and select preferences. In the preferences window, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then click disconnect account located near your profile information. A confirmation window will appear. Click the blue disconnect button to stop all Google Drive syncing on that device. If you don't want to disconnect your account, you can instead stop specific folders from syncing. Click the gear icon, select preferences, then choose My Computer from the left sidebar. Click Add Folder and select the folder you want to manage. Once the folder settings appear, uncheck Sync with Google Drive. After making your changes, click Done to save the new sync settings. You can also completely shut down the Google Drive background service. Return to the Google Drive icon, click the settings gear icon, and select Quit. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.